Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I show you the original black Samsung Smart View wallet case for Samsung Galaxy A55. The Smart View wallet case protects your device but at the same time allows you to access the interactive display of the Galaxy A55 5G without opening the cover, available in black, white and lavender. The strength of this case is the active case window that allows you to quickly check the time, notifications, control music and answer calls without opening the case. The case has a card slot allowing you to carry your most important cards without additional wallet. It is made of a malleable material thick enough to provide protection against falls, and the cutouts are perfect. In the area of the cameras, the cover ensures protection of the camera glass, being a distance of a few millimeters. If you put the phone on the desk, the camera glass will not be scratched. Another strength of this case is the active flip that allows you to quickly answer calls just by opening the flip. In the flip there is a small magnet that interacts with a sensor in the phone that detects the closing and opening of the flip. What I don't like is the flip of the cover because it has quite a lot of lateral play. When you take the phone out of the case, press on the two corners at the bottom. Thank you for watching. I wish you a wonderful day and goodbye.